Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Affirmators, 50 affirmation cards to help yourself without the self-helpiness. So this I found at my thrift store and it was basically brand new. I think I got it for like $1.99 or something like that. So I'm really excited. I know that this is an old one, but I do think it's adorable, the other ones that they have produced. So this is published by Knock Knock, Say Something More, and of course everywhere that you can legitimately purchase it will be linked in the description box below. I think it retails for $19.99, but I will edit that in for you. It's been proven that making positive statements out loud can radically improve your mood, relationships, and life experiences. We're not ones to argue with science, so we're giving it a shot. 40 cards offer unique daily affirmations without the self-helpy self-seriousness, plus 10 bonus cards to boost you on your toughest days. So this looks really cute. Cleanse your mind, empower your soul, rule the universe. Very cute. Greater consciousness for those of us who don't live in ashrams. All right. So we slide from the bottom. It does have a ribbon. No guidebook because I don't think you would need one with this, but we do have a card explaining how to use them. There's no wrong way to use them, laws notwithstanding, but here's our suggestion. Turn the cards face down on a table in front of you, shuffle them the way a 3-year-old would. As you mix the cards around, close your eyes, take a deep breath, and silently ask that the cards give you a message that will benefit you in this moment. Then reach in, pull a single card, and feel confident this is the one card for you. At least until the next time you pull a card. So then read it, and then if you draw a bonus card, relish its wisdom and use its gifts at will. You have been bestowed with great and mighty powers reserved for only 10 cards in this deck. What a fortune. Adorable. Okay. So, there we go. A little insert there. Here's the back of the deck. Love it. Cards are very thin. They're not like paper thin, but they are very thin. They are a matte. And here we go. I will not be reading the paragraph at the bottom of the page because we will be here all day, but you are more than welcome to pause the video and read the ones that you feel called to. I will shuffle and pull a card at the very end and then see what that one has to say. The art is adorable. I like the keywords. I feel like it is definitely a very relatable deck. Oh, cute. Oh my goodness. I did review their Affirmators relationship deck, I believe. It's called, and that was adorable. I like that each of the cards have their own little background color. Breaks up the monotony. This feels very accessible to a lot of different people. Cute. Oh my goodness, adorable. These are great to, put on your altar, put on your mirror as you get ready, put on your refrigerator, your desk, somewhere that you're going to see it throughout the day. And just be reminded Cute. Mary Poppins. Tankosaurus. Oh my gosh. Oh man. All right, and then these are the additional cards. So we have abundance, communication, forgiveness, manifestation, nature, patience, perseverance, sanctuary, spontaneity, and strength. Okay, let's shuffle. See how that works here. Okay, not bad. Very flexible. Do it from side to side here to see how that, oh yeah, that'll work too. For those of you with smaller hands. Not that this is a very big deck, but just in case. All right, let's get an affirmation to read, please. We're going to take that one. Okay. Worthiness. I am worthy of the ultimate happiness. I deserve and accept it, and damn it, I'm not going to feel guilty about it when I get it. Guilt is not invited to my happiness party. I won't even tell him where it is. If he asks about it, I'll be like, no, I think you're thinking of something else. And then I'll run away very quickly. That's adorable. I do want to see one of the bonus cards. We've got patience that came out first. Congratulations! You've been granted more patience. You may start using it right away. Or much, much later. Waiting a long time is a sort of option now afforded to you by greater patience. Can you believe it? Look at this. You're still reading and you haven't started getting annoyed yet. Imagine how this patience will transform your life. Imagine how easy it will be to go to the post office. Definitely needing patience in certain environments, right? Okay, this is really cute. Really adorable. I do think that it can be used by a lot of different people, especially those who need a little help getting into the affirmation spirit, you know. This is definitely a great gift to people who want to start dipping their toes into it, but don't really feel comfortable yet in the more metaphysical, quote unquote, woo-woo environment, if that makes sense. Like, this is very generic in a good way to help kind of get you in the right mindset and get you dipping your toes in where it doesn't feel too overwhelming or too out of reach. So very accessible, very useful, because a lot of these, most of them, is something that we need help with, right? On a day-to-day basis, something that might pop up that we might need a little reminder for, and to kind of help tweak our subconscious a little bit more. And then I do like the bonus cards because it is like a very good reminder to seek those opportunities when we can. But yeah, definitely a deck that is very accessible, easy to use, and a great starting point for a lot of people who otherwise wouldn't know where to start. And if you do look at the little page here, this is the one I have. The Love and Relationships is the one. They do have a tarot. They've got one specifically for creativity, for mantras. It is a cute little set here. So if you want me to look into any of the other ones, if you want me to make videos on that, I absolutely will. I know that these have been out for quite some time, so I would love to know if you own this or if you own any of the other ones. Please let me know your thoughts. Let me know what you think about it. Is it something that you utilize a lot? Is it something that you find helpful? Or is it something that you are not interested in at all? please let me know everything down below. And if you've made it this far in the video, drop a rainbow emoji to let me know you have. Thank you so much for being here today. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.